So we're just going to quickly talk about these three tanks and about the importance of exchanging the water and nutrient that's in these tanks. Again, just like the main tank, we want to do this fairly regularly. We're going to follow the instructions that Growcer has given us. When we do end up removing this water and nutrient, we're then going to have to refill these tanks with fresh water and nutrient. Now that you guys have drained and cleaned the nutrient tanks, it's time to refill them. First thing you're going to want to do is take your nutrient A bucket. You've also got a nutrient B bucket. You're going to want to fill this with 4 gallons of warm water. You're going to then take a jug. You're going to put it on your scale. You're going to tare it so that it's now reading 0. You're then going to measure 4 pounds of nutrient mix A, which looks like this. You're going to add 4 pounds into the bucket. Once 4 pounds is measured out, you're then going to pour it into the 4-gallon bucket of warm water in nutrient bucket A. You can use your paddle to mix it up. Once it's been mixed and diluted, you can then take your jug again, reach down, fill up the jug, pour it into nutrient tank A. Repeat this whole process 4 times. You're going to then do the exact same thing for nutrient tank B. Now keep in mind, nutrient B is the bag that looks like this. For nutrient tank C, or the pH tank, you don't have to do anything other than add in a bucket of the, maybe about half to full jug of the pH down, and you're done. One other thing to do when you are refilling the nutrient tanks with nutrient solution is to reach inside and look for this PVC pipe. Each tank is going to have one of these. It's important then when you lift the tanks back onto the shelf and feed the line that is situated on the left of each pump, you feed that line back into the small hole situated at the back of each pump. You'll see it, it's right on top. You feed that in through the top, and then you're going to have to reach in and you're going to have to push the line into the PVC pipe. And essentially the reason we do this is we want to make sure that the line, the black line, does not float up to the top. So this PVC pipe, all it does is essentially weight down the line a bit so that it draws nutrient solution from the bottom, not the top.